trigger warning, blood and needles. Welcome to DIY Tuesday. As you can see, I've done this before. I've did snake eyes and my regular tongue piercing before. Here, I'm just going to be re-piercing my tongue because when the snake eyes fell out, I couldn't get it back in. I got irritated and I just took both piercings out and I was like, forget it. So I'm wanting my tongue ring back, so I put it back in. Girl, I got everything from Amazon, including the tongue rings. Some of my tongue rings come from Spencer's, but like I said, most of the items to pierce your tongue, and you can even get the tongue rings from Amazon. You can get all the things from Amazon. We already know that, okay? So basically, I was just feeling like I wanted to re-pierce my tongue, so I did. And I'm always going to save some money. I want to save a coin, sis. I'm sure you do too. So I like to do things on my own. I like to do my own nails, whether it be press-ons or whether I'm going to put my own acrylics on. I refuse to pay somebody $100 and something for some nails that I can do myself. Same thing with my feet. I do like to go relax at the spa or the nail shop and get my feet done, but I will do them on my own and they look just as pretty, okay? So this DIY is to basically show you, girl, if you want to get your tongue pierced or whatever, you can do it on your own. If you're old enough, you can do it on your own. Save your money. You don't have to go pay $80 to $100 for a tongue ring or some type of piercing. Just be careful. Make sure you clean and sanitize everything, and you'll be good, sis. You'll be good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, huh? Let me tighten it up. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Last time I pierced my tongue, it didn't take that long, but I guess over time that scar tissue or something. That's what that was, cause it ain't never took that long to get in, like for me to put a tongue ring in. If you are too young to be doing this, don't do it. Don't get in trouble. Please don't get in trouble. But if you're like me and you are an adult and you are old enough to, do this yourself or do it for a friend or however the case may be, save your coin, baby. For the most part, that is a DIY Tuesday, honey. And you stay to the end, honey. You a real one. You a real one. You a real one. You a real one. So, here we are.